Namaste everybody. I'm Gautami Saraf, founder of Success 360. I'm an emotional intelligence coach and I am also a child psychologist. Today I want to discuss 10 secrets of successful teachers. We all had teachers in our life, right? So, who was your favorite teacher? What was so nice about them? Why do you remember them even after so many years? Lot of little things, right? So I try to decode those little things so as parents and teachers we can implement those tidbits into our life where we guide as we guide our children. So so before I share the 10 secrets, I want to share a few concepts with you. Then I'll share the 10 secrets followed by the step ahead. So ready for the concepts? Yes. So the teaching, how it has changed from yesterday, how is it today, and how is it going to be tomorrow? Very different. So I remember when I was a child, if I did know something and I asked my parents, if at all they knew, they would explain it to me. Otherwise, they would tell me, go and ask your teacher. Okay. But today we have Google Mata. So she gives the answer. Okay. So, but tomorrow, how is it going to be? It's going to be very, very different. The education industry is already undergoing a disruption. Okay, and the change is going to be big. And the best thing is we all can adapt to change. Right? Change is the only constant. And we don't have to drastically change overnight. We can change by one step at a time. Second concept I want to share is impact of a teacher as an influencer. You know, when I work with a lot of students, and one of the common questions I ask them is, when it comes to academic discussions, I ask them, who's your favorite teacher? Okay, they tell me the name. Every child has a name of favorite teacher, and you should see the smile that comes up on their face when they speak about that teacher. Okay, then I discuss some other things, and after a while, I just ask the child. Maybe after 5 or 10 minutes, I ask the child, which is your favorite subject? You got it. 99% of the time, yes, the favorite subject of the child would be the subject that is being taught by his or her favorite teacher. This is only one part of the influence. Teachers influence the personality of the child. They influence how child feels and thinks. So as teachers, we have a huge responsibility. And with current situations, parents are also teachers. Actually, there's a saying in Kannada, Taye Madala Guru, Manaye Madala Patashale, Taye Madala Guru. Okay. So, but now even she's become the second guru, third guru, fourth guru, right? Like she's multitasking, and even many dads, I would say. Okay, so that come to the third concept. See, when we teach children, okay, so yes, we are all that as parents and teachers, we have to teach the syllabus, whatever is prescribed. But what really matters is what we teach beyond that. It shouldn't stop at what is there in the book. Some of the life lessons I have learned have been taught to me by my teachers, which was out of syllabus. It was nowhere prescribed in the book. So now let's move to the top 10 secrets of successful teachers. Okay. So the first is they care and they show it in subtle ways. When you interact with that teacher who is a successful one, you feel cared for, you feel you matter. Okay, and usually it is a word or a gesture or a pat on the head or a smile. The teacher shows that he or she cares for the child. The second point is they like to teach. Yes, it's nice if the teaching is passion, but passion is a very big word, and there are so many, I would say, myths and so many preconceived notion about passion. So I didn't want to use the word passion here. I would like to keep it simple. Successful teachers like to teach. They learn, they teach, and they enjoy doing that. Then, the third secret, they make the complex subject or topic into a simple thing. It's usually a doable step. When they teach, you feel, I can do this. I can understand. Okay, it's this simple. Okay. Sometimes when you go back and sit to study, it may look a little complex again. But when they teach, when you listen, you feel understood. You get the concept. It sounds simple no matter how complex it is. The fourth secret is successful teachers inspire. They inspire the child to become his or her best. They inspire the child to explore. They inspire the child to do what the child's heart and soul wants to do. Fifth, helpful. Successful teachers are helpful. Yes, they discipline, no doubt about it. But when it needs, let's say you have a doubt or you go to them with any questions which may be relevant to academics or not, they're always there. You feel they care, and well, when a child has a problem or an issue, the child knows if he or she takes that to the teacher, she's going to do something about it. Then let's come to the sixth secret. They're cheerful and energetic. I haven't seen a successful teacher who has been, very arrogant, rude, and uh, that kind of outlook. Actually, I haven't met. There may be, I don't know. I haven't met. Okay, so they're cheerful and they have a nice energy. No, they are not Olympic runners or they're athletes. They have a nice vibe and energy. You feel good interacting with them, and it's nice to see their cheerful faces. Then, coming to the seventh secret, successful teachers are experts in their subject. I wouldn't say they're rank holders or they're the best in that subject. Okay, but they are an expert in that subject, and what they don't know, they're willing to spend some time and energy and study that topic, and then they explain it to the child. Eighth secret, they don't give up on any child. No matter what the mistake the child does, they will never give up on the child. So the child will know that he or she did a mistake which is wrong, but they will also know that the teacher is going to be there for them. The teacher is going to help them overcome the challenge, the mistake the child has committed. Let's come to the ninth secret. Successful teachers make children feel safe. Okay, in both, I would say, physical environment and the emotional environment. Physical, say, like, success, they don't hit, yell, or scare the child. And emotionally, they make the child feel safe. They don't criticize the child and they don't make the child feel small for a mistake. Everybody does mistakes, right? So they nudge the child gently to correct the mistakes. So the child doesn't feel threatened or scared when he or she does something wrong. The 10th secret. Successful teachers the discipline with love, tough love. So they know how to set healthy boundaries, and they know how to make the children follow them. And of course, there will be consequences when the child doesn't follow the boundaries. So these are the 10 secrets of successful teachers. Which one is your favorite? Write down in the comment box. I'll be reading each of the comments. So next steps, let's meet live. I conduct a webinar called 6 Steps to Empower Your Kids to Become Their Best. We all want our kids to become their best, right? We want them to be happy, healthy, right? And be successful. Are we doing the right thing? Are we taking the right steps? So come over, let's discuss, and I will share my views and thoughts, and like how I implement it as a mentor and as a parent. And then I have created a downloadable PDF file, which is 5 secrets to keeping cool, disciplining children with love. So disciplining children is with love sometimes can be challenging, because if you don't discipline or set boundaries, they're not going to know what is right, what is wrong. But then if the boundaries are too tight, and the children will either they'll feel suffocated and go into a shell, or they will rebel. So then I have created a VIP parenting group where I'll be discussing lots and lots of topics about parenting the next gen kids. Okay, so come over and join if you feel like. Thank you. See you soon. Take care.